Yeah, first video, I guess. Why not? Fucking Takeover. Fuck shit up. Now, every fucking Saturday I'll make a video, alright?
In the work truck.
Work truck.
In the work truck, bro.
Got these fans on me on the ground. Had these prescriptions that need to be filled. Popping these pills till I'm ready to fizz. Percocet, terror on the oxy and deals. Got a rig on me, I'm a show. Drugs in my veins, having no other way. Bitches keep asking is Sicky okay? He a zombie, the walking decay. Disgrace to say to my family name. Learn baby, yeah, I'm to blame. Pills and just got me running late. I can't move an inch, I can't feel my face. Got bitches that want me to put down the drugs, but I'd rather be loaded than probably the drug. Rather be ducking and let your bitch fuck. Some of the drugs ain't gonna come with no drugs.
Got the bug, yeah, stop it. They got a problem now, got to work it out. They got a lot of love, never heard the sound, but they heard the blood from the Glock in them. Telling them that rock, they got no back, they can put back up. Or she's going in the back of my head. EMT said I'm the dead by the top. You pick it up like it's broken, they hitting my body, don't move, but my soul so the present. Give me your whole, I don't need no remembrance. I'm heading back on the other place with the devil. And these so devilish, look like my village is out in the plug in the bottom of it. I've been looking for PK, been looking for 3 days. I woke up and better the police and the devil lives.
Dude, there's at least 300 people here right now. This is fucked. Yeah, first video, I guess. Why not? Fucking Takeover. Fuck shit up. Now, every fucking Saturday I'll make a video, alright?
In the work truck.
Work truck.
In the work truck, bro.
Save the hair.
Hashtag fuck.
This is absolutely insane. So this has got to be one of the biggest takeovers yet.
Yes, sir.
Let's get this shit down. Dallas Takeover on Instagram. Fuck shit up. This shit's gonna be insane. Okay guys, the first spot just got shut down. So now we are moving to the street races, I believe. I'm just following all fucking 600 cars. Yeah, but this is gonna be absolutely insane. I'll film as much as I can. See you at the races. Holy shit. All right, everybody, we're going back to Columbia Center right now. Be there. Fucking take over the whole fucking place. just got shut down. We're all going back to the first spot. And I will hopefully film more there. That shit just got shut down, the street races. But now we fucking took over the whole fucking highway. This is absolutely insane. We have a big ass line of cars behind us. Takeover is going fucking down, part 2. Alright, I'll keep you guys updated when we're at the next spot. And we're pulling up to the next spot right now. I can already hear this shit. This is gonna be absolutely insane. Oh shit, here we go. Oh my god. This is insane. God damn. Hold up, I'm gonna find a fucking parking spot. You already know what the fuck is going on here. You can probably tell by what's going on in the background, but this is gonna be fucking insane. This shit's still going down, bro.
No fucking cap, bro. Holy shit. This ain't one.
Go, go.
I don't see y'all motherfuckers could be from the city, live in the city, and hate on a motherfucker that's representing the city. And that's supposed to be the city you love, the city you from. Shit don't make no motherfucking sense. If I love something, I'ma love anybody, you know what I'm saying, or anything that's represented, especially if they doing that shit right. That's fugazi.
I've been riding through the city in a hoopty. I've been ballin' since a youngin' like a nigga wanted college to recruit me. Obviously it didn't happen, now I'm rapping trying to dodge all of these groupies. Yeah, I'm trying to put on for my city, I just hope a hate nigga don't shoot. As a kid I was told once, if you ain't got nothing good to say, the nigga don't say shit. I was told by a hoe once. Yeah. The girl you fucking ain't wifey material, then watch out who you lay with. Damn, she told me she know by experience. She's not the girl to put trust in. At the moment I became so curious. I asked her, how do you find love then? She said there's no love in these streets and you know that. When you get out the city, my nigga, don't go back. But I'm still riding through the city.
Back here, I almost lost my legs to a GT. I almost lost my legs to a GT about 2 minutes ago, you know what I'm saying? That's all it is, though.
Obviously it didn't happen, now I'm rapping trying to dodge all of these groupies. Yeah, I'm trying to put on for my city, I just hope a hate nigga don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Yo, moving silence is the motto. Yeah, dodging all of
Okay, yo, I'm editing this video right now, and I completely forgot to do an outro. So last night at the takeover, my car broke down, the transmission blew. But shout out to everyone that showed up. It was absolutely amazing. Every Saturday, we're gonna get lit. Same location, maybe I'll change up the spots. I hope you had fun.